Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you want to know how to get this look, just keep on watching. Alright, so today we're going to be using the Bretman Rock times Colourpop Lit palette, and the color we're going in first is Like, and like always I'm just using my little elf contour brush just to pack that on onto the crease. And next we're going in with Period as our transition shade. God, I can never say that fucking word. But we're going to use that as our transition shade. And y'all, let me just tell y'all, I cut my hair short and like about, I want to say 3-4 months ago, I don't know, but it cannot fucking grow and I'm so tired of it. I regret cutting it so short. I cannot do anything with my hair in a fucking sucks. So yeah, I just had to let y'all know because my bun was bothering me that day. Okay, anyways, so then we are using this Morphe. It's like a rounder brush. I believe it's called the M154, I believe, but I mean, I'll have it down in the description box below. So I really like this brush, like I really do, but I kind of messed it up when I cleaned it. I kind of went a little too hard, so yeah, so I think I'm gonna go get another one. So, and then we're going to cut our crease just like usual using our Maybelline concealer and a flat top brush, and yeah, we're just gonna cut our crease. Okay, so then I'm taking thanks a lot, something like that, but this is from the Violet Voss palette. This is my first one, and y'all, let me tell you, the packaging, it is freaking hard. It's like a book. It's like a 100-page book. That's what the packaging feels like. So it's good. I really like it. So and then we're just going to be blending out the edges. We don't want the rough edges, you know. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, I know I put a poll if y'all want to see a pregnancy story whenever I found out I was pregnant. So I'm working on that. Just give me some time, because me and my man, we want to do it together, but he's always doing something and I'm doing something. So yeah, we're working on it. Okay, so then I'm taking the NYX white eyeliner. It was so hard to do my eyeliner on camera, like always. So, and then I'm taking my Clinique moisturizer. I love this thing. Now I'm just using my Cover FX blurring primer. I really need to get another one. I think I'm running low because casi no sale no more, as you can see. If I keep looking down, that means I was watching YouTube videos. I was probably watching Exponiendo Infieles. So Okay, and then I'm taking my Wet n Wild and foundation. I believe I'm in the shade medium. It's been a hot minute since I haven't used it, and I forgot how good it was. So yeah, and then I'm adding some Cover FX drops, which I'm not a big fan too much. I mean, they're good, but I mean, they're kind of hard to blend out. So yeah, I think you have to work fast with it. So, but I mean, they're all right. They're all right. See, I'm telling y'all, it's kind of hard to blend it out. I don't know if you have to like, pretty sure you have to work fast with this Cover FX drops. So I had to go in with some more foundation so it could blend out. Okay, and then I think I'm putting on, I'm putting on my concealer. Yep, I thought I was recording, but I didn't record. So, but like always, I'm just using my Tarte Shape Tape in medium tan, just blending that out. So, and of course, something always has to happen to me. I dropped some fucking foundation on my shirt. I mean, good thing I got it out though. I thought it wasn't gonna come off. Okay, and then we're using our banana powder from Makeup Revolution. You guys know I fuck with this so hard. I love it. And we're just sweeping all the excess powder away. We don't want to look freaking, what do you call it? Cakey. I was gonna say ashy. Cakey. And then we're going to use our butter bronzer also. Oh yeah, and it's a crown brush. I forgot about that. Kind of switch it up between my Wet n Wild brush, so it's kind of whatever I'm feeling that day. Okay, and then I'm taking my Artist Couture in Illuminati. I freaking love this highlighter. Like, it's bomb as fuck. I've had it for like almost 2 years, I want to say, and I still have like a lot left. Like, I mean, you literally only need like not even like a full what do you call it? Like, you need to go light handed whenever you go with your brush, because yeah, Artist Couture, bomb ass fuck. Okay, and then I'm just going to take my Luxie brush and just added a little bit of blush. So then we're going in with my MAC mascara. Don't y'all hate it when you're putting on mascara and it gets on the bottom of your what do you call it? It gets on your skin. I hate that shit. I just hate it. Okay, and here I'm just trying to see if I like this lip color. This is from Ofra. I can't remember the name, but I'll just have it linked down below. I was trying out some different type of type of eyeshadows, type of lipsticks, but I liked how this one looked better. So yeah, guys. Okay guys, so this is the final result. Whatever. This is the final look. There you go. This is the final look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, so until next time, guys. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Do all those 4 things so you can know when I upload my next video. I promise I'm going to try to be more consistent. Like, I have videos, but it's the editing que me tarda más. So promise you guys I will be more consistent on uploading videos. So alright guys, so love you guys.